The murk of malevolent thoughts. Thick ink smearing of inner darkness. Malevolent thoughts sometimes pervade our hearts. They are not accidental but the disturbance of the darkness within. These are not fleeting thoughts beyond control, but strokes of darkness painted deep in the soul. The birth of malevolent thoughts is not influenced by external circumstances, but echoes from the inner world. When darkness resides within, malevolent thoughts spread like shadows. They are projections of internal contradictions and unrest, manifestations of the deep-seated darkness of the soul. Don't blame malevolent thoughts on external stimuli. That's merely avoiding a confrontation with the darkness within. Malevolent thoughts are signals of a short circuit within, a warning of inner unrest. Regardless of how intricate the external world may be, the existence of malevolent thoughts always originates from the darkness within. Breaking free from the shroud of malevolent thoughts requires facing the darkness within. Don't let them rampage through the mind. Instead, channel them with determined willpower, and purify with enlightened thoughts. The clarity within will be the most potent weapon to dispel malevolent thoughts.